Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Myself, Miss Pramila. Today we are going to learn about stars and solar system. So, ready for that? See, whenever we look at the night sky, we see twinkling stars. On most nights, we see the moon too. You Yes, that we actually see in what we actually see in the sky is just a small part of the large universe. The universe is made up of a large number of celestial bodies. Do you know what are celestial bodies? All naturally heavenly bodies in space are called celestial bodies. They may be at a distance of several lights from each other and are continuously moving in space. These include sun, moon, planets, stars, etc. Now we are going to see the stars and constellations. Stars are the most prominent object visible in the night sky. They are made up of hot burning gases that release huge amount of heat and light energy. Unlike planets, stars have their own heat and light. The heat of these stars is not felt by us because they are very far away from us. Sun is also a star since it is nearer to the earth that than any other stars we can experience the heat and light energy received from it. The sun is so bright that it outshining all other stars during the day. When we gaze at the stars, they sometimes look like a game of joining dots. It is looking like it making several pictures by joining stars. Well, these pictures are actually constellation of stars. In the sky, in the night sky, we see billion of stars. It, if we carefully observe them, we will find that many of them form different patterns in the sky that looks like a bear, scorpion, etc. These patterns made up by the stars are called constellations. Constellations have been named after shape they form. Ursa Major, Orion, Scorpius, Leo, Cassiopeia, and Ursa Minor are some commonly seen constellation. Ursa Major or the Great Bear, as it is commonly called, is a very important constellation. See, on the screen you can see the Big Dipper. You can observe a pluff or big deeper shape pattern of stars in the sky which is known as Big Dipper or the Saptarishi. It is also called the seven sages. These constellations form a part of the large Ursa Major constellation. Saptarishi is a cluster of seven stars. The two front stars together in the straight line are known as pointer star that point towards the shining stars in the north. These stars is known as north star or polarites or pole star. In ancient time, star and constellation helps traveler to determine their direction during the night. When seen from Earth, Saptarishi appears to slowly change its position with the change of season. However, the pole star remains fixed at its position in the sky. Orion is another important constellation visible in the northern sky at night. It is one of the oldest known constellations as well. The Orion was a hunter in Greek mythology. It is easy to see figure of hunter with a lion skin in his left hand and red club in his right hand. Now we are going to see solar system. The objects in the solar system are believed to be formed from the orbits of the sun. Solar system is therefore known as the family of the sun. It consists of the planets, moon, asteroids, meteoroids, and comets with the sun at the center. The most increasing facts about solar system that is that has only one planet with life on it. This is Earth. Now we are going to see about sun. The sun is not only a huge star but also the biggest celestial objects in the solar system. It is located at the center of the solar system. It is extremely hot and produces a huge amount of energy through continuous explosion that happens on its surface. It is the source of heat and light in the solar system. All planets in the solar system receive light from the sun. The sun has the highest gravitational pull among all the bodies in the solar system. Due to this, it attracts the planets and other celestial objects towards it. As a result, the planets and these objects move in a fixed path around the sun. Now we are going to see the planets. A planet is a celestial object that moves around the sun in a fixed path called the orbit. Planets do not have their own light. They reflect the light received from the sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their increasing distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.